How do I create a game pin for Kahoot?
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial. We will be exploring how to create a game pin for Kahoot. It's a straightforward process, and by following the steps in this video, you'll have your Kahoot game pin ready in no time.
What is a Kahoot game pin?
Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand what a Kahoot game pin is. A Kahoot game pin is a unique identifier that Kahoot uses to differentiate between different live games or challenges. When you create a new game on Kahoot, a new game pin is generated. This pin can be shared with participants to join the game.
How to create a new Kahoot game?
Now let's move on to how to create a new Kahoot game. 1. Open the Kahoot website or application and log into your account. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Discover tab. 3. You can either select one of the featured Kahoots or create your own by clicking Create on the top right corner. 4. If you chose to create your own, follow the prompts to choose the type of game, add questions, and customize your game settings. 5. After finishing your customization, click Done to finalize your Kahoot.
How to generate a game pin?
After your Kahoot game is ready, it's time to generate your game pin. 1. From your dashboard, click on My Kahoots on the left side menu. 2. Find the Kahoot game you want to host, then click on the Play button. 3. A pop-up window will open, allowing you to select either Teach or Assign. Choose Teach for a live game. 4. Click Classic or Team Mode, depending on your preference. Your Kahoot game will now start. 5. As your game starts, a unique game pin will be generated and displayed on the screen. This is the pin that participants will use to join your game. And that's it. By following these steps, you will be able to create a game pin for your Kahoot game. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you are now able to easily set up your own Kahoot games. Happy gaming!